Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Canada Immigration News. Today we talk about the sponsor spouse application. If you are interested in this topic, please watch till the end of this video for the latest updates. Please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Let's start the topic. After you apply to sponsor your spouse or common law partner for Canadian immigration, you may wish to track the progress of your application, update your application, or otherwise communicate with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC). There are also some important steps you must take before you can finally become a permanent resident of Canada. After applying, you could be waiting a long time for permanent residency. The processing standard for new spousal sponsorship applications is 12 months. However, IRCC's own processing time calculator is estimating inland applications are taking an average of 15 months, and outland applicants are taking about 24 months. Sponsor Your Family for Canadian Immigration. IRCC's webpage states that processing begins on the day your complete application is received. When officials determine that your submitted application is complete, you will get an acknowledgement of receipt (AOR) and an application number. IRCC says on its webpage that it has been taking a long time to issue AORs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. If IRCC officials will return your application if it is incomplete or fees are missing. Here is what you can expect between the time you submit your application and the time you officially become a Canadian permanent resident. Sponsors. IRCC will first examine the Canadian sponsor's eligibility. If all the forms and documents are present, IRCC will send an email or letter confirming that the application has been accepted for processing. IRCC will then assess the sponsor's eligibility and send an email or letter containing the decision. If the sponsorship undertaking is approved, IRCC will send the application for permanent residence to the appropriate processing office. IRCC will then decide whether the person being sponsored is eligible for permanent residence. If the undertaking is refused, IRCC will explain why in an email or letter. Quebec residents. If you live in Quebec and are applying for spousal sponsorship, the foreign spouse must complete and sign the Demande de Sélection Permanente, Catégorie du Regroupement Familial application for permanent selection, family reunification class form. This document must be enclosed with the sponsor's undertaking application to the Quebec government. If the government of Quebec approves the undertaking application, they will send IRCC the information needed to process your permanent residency application. Applicants. Once the Canadian spouse or common law partner is found to be eligible, IRCC will send you, or your authorized representative, an AOR with your application number on it. The application number allows you to link your application to your IRCC secure account. This way, couples can communicate with IRCC and get updates and messages about their application online. During the processing, IRCC will ask you to submit your medical exams, police certificates, and biometrics. Medical exams. All foreign national family members, who are not already a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, need to pass a medical exam, even if they are not applying to come to Canada with you. IRCC says failure to declare and have family members examined will affect your application, and your ability to sponsor them in the future. IRCC will send you and each family member a request to complete a medical exam at an appropriate time in processing. It will contain instructions about what to do. You might not receive it right after applying, as medical results expire and IRCC might ask you to do them at a later time to reduce the chance of having to redo a medical exam. If you have already completed an immigration medical exam, you must provide details in the medical examination section of your document checklist. Depending on when the exam was done, you may have to do it again. Police certificates. Immigration applicants age 18 years of age and older must provide a valid police certificate for any country other than Canada in which we will try to give you latest information related to Canadian immigration. If you have not subscribed, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on notifications, bell icon. See you later in the next new immigration video. Thank you.